Hey guys, it's Steph with Steph's Adventures and Fab Buys, and we have got an unboxing to do today. This box is special. It's from YOOX. I am not affiliated. Hey, I'm Steph. I do an unboxing on this channel from time to time, and this box is, like I said, from YOOX, and it is special for me because it is some designer clothing. Now, I don't do a whole lot of designer clothing as far as luxury clothing. I do a lot of designer clothing, but not a lot of luxury. So I think that this kind of falls in that category. It is Golden Goose, and so let's see what YOOX has sent to me. It's certainly boxed well. I've only purchased a few things from YOOX. So let's see. We can get in the box. Beautiful tissue. YOOX. It's got wires on it. It's really pretty. And I know this is a bad place to do an unboxing for this particular piece. I know I should have gone inside for this one, but we've got a lot of things going on, so let me flip it for you. And beautiful packaging, and you guys are going to love it. Love it. Okay, I think I paid a couple of hundred, I think a couple of $100 for this. It is just too cute. And it says on the back, perfect, be unique, small things. And it's just beautiful little cardigan, perfect for the resorts. So let me lay that here. And of course, you gotta have the jeans. You gotta have the jeans to go with the sweater. And these are the jeans. And these are the Golden Goose, made in Italy. Has the Golden Goose passport, where you can get the QR code here. And of course I'm going to walk up and show you the tags. Blue Golden Goose pant. I believe it says Karen boot cut. And these are a size 26 waist. And love them. Love them. And I think that is just going to be darling. And more about the And it does have a Golden Goose leather tag on the pant. And on the sweater, it is knit belted cardigan. This is the belt that goes with the cardigan. And even though it is hot as I'll get out here in a minute, I'll try the cardigan on. When I go to stand up, we'll try the cardigan on and get a better picture of the tags. So, just a darling outfit. This is a really substantial sweater. It does have holes that you can see through it. But with a white tank top or a Golden Goose white t-shirt, I thought I got in mind that they had. I meant to order, and I hope it's still there. But it has two Golden Goose stars here, and it says Golden Goose made in Italy. And this one is, I believe it's a extra small. And I am so glad I got the extra small because, yeah, I knew it being oversized, I better get the extra small. So, let's put these out of the way and grab the next pair of Golden Goose jeans. Just some hot little skinny minis. Has the Golden Goose label here in black leather. Has a tag on the inside. It says Golden Goose Deluxe brand. And it gives the number for these. And these are a size 26 again. A few other little tags. Of course, this is engraved on the buttons of the jeans. Just a good little pair of skinny minis. And I don't think that peg leg or any of that really ever go out. And these are the red cropped jeans from Golden Goose that have a silver tag, and I don't believe that's leather. And these were still I think I paid like $45 for these, or $55, guys. This was unreal. And these are really cute. And they're a size 26. And Golden Goose Deluxe brand. And just really, really cute. I think this is going to be really, really cute. So, I will have to try them on and do some mod shots for you guys later on if I can get time to do that. If I don't, I'm sorry. You'll just have to trust me on this one. These are adorable. I mean, just adorable. It looks so comfy. So I'm gonna have to try those on and get excited about that. Let you see that. And that's the only identifier that these particular jeans came with. So yeah, just darling. And for the black jeans, that's the tag for those. Mm. I'm not sure what that is, but that looked kind of cool, so I thought I'd throw that up there for you guys. And I cannot wait to try these on. These are going to be so cute. And just a perfect outfit for me to take on vacation. So, ooh, super long, guys. Super long. Super long. I'm gonna have to wear some major stacked heels with this one. So, or even have them altered, which I hate to do, but we'll do if need be. Okay, this comes with an extra thread. This is the tag for the sweater. I would have picked the hottest day of the year to try this outside. But I just couldn't wait, guys. I had to see what was in the box, and you had to do that with me. So, here we go. Just a little quick modeling job there. And I've got my Louboutin Wapiti case and my little belt bag on today. So, but oh, how cute. And it just goes right over all that. So I'll try the jeans and all that stuff on for you a little bit later on. It does come with a beautiful belt, so that you can belt the waist. But like I said, I'll give you a proper try on here in a little while if I can pull that off. If not, I'll do some mod shots when I go to wear the outfit and try to add those to the video or to my Instagram. And yeah, I need to get on that Instagram a little bit harder, don't I, guys? And give you some eye candy and ideas of how to wear some of these items. But so yes, just love it, love it. Oh my gosh, this is so cool. And Golden Goose does make more than shoes. I'm not affiliated. Golden Goose does make more than shoes. They have handbag, clothes, shoes, accessories, the whole nine. So check them out, and I am loving the quality. And sewing of the knit, everything good, solid. Weight on this cardigan, it's really thick, but it has perforated holes so that your body can still breathe. I'm all down with this. If you're a little person like me and they freeze you out in these resorts, you gotta have them. You gotta have these little sweaters and jackets. And along the lines of Pharrell's new show, I want to say kudos for his first shows. I love the demouflage, and we'll be looking at closer the next couple of days with my essay on some of those pieces of how, to see if any of those might work for me. And it'll be exciting to see those come out when those come out. I know Pharrell played it safe, a little boring and all that stuff and everything, but it's rather to be boring and give a winter show in the middle of summer than it is to, I think, kind of, I think that would, to me, I'd rather it be underplayed than overplayed. And I think he did an extremely good job for his first tenure. And wherever you guys are in the world, I hope that peace and love finds you. I hope that you have all that you ever dreamed of. Please know that you are worth it. Please like, share, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you'll get notified when I do one of these unboxings. And love you guys, and I'll see you on the next luxury unboxing or adventure.